Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, as you can see, piping hot, just finished. We're going to do an eggplant or aubergine arrabbiata, or in a tomato with a little bit of chili sauce. I'm using this penne type of pasta. You can use any pasta you want. Let's go take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we need for this. Really simple, this one actually. So, one eggplant or aubergine or brinjal, whatever you call that. I've cut it nice and small. 1 can of tomatoes. 1 decent sized onion sliced. Nice teaspoon there, hefty teaspoon of chili. You can adjust that as much as you want. Same with oregano or oregano, as some of you call it. About a tablespoon of chopped garlic. We're going to start this off with some oil. I'm going to use olive oil, salt and pepper, and of course get your pasta ready. I'm using this penne because we're really going to concentrate on the sauce. Let's go to the cooker. Okay, so could not be easier. Like I said, I'm going to use some olive oil. You can use a different oil if you want. We're going to drop in our onion on a medium heat. 3 minutes, just let them go by themselves. Okay, they're just softening really nicely. I'm going to drop that garlic in now. Chopped garlic and our eggplant. Let's get it in now. And as you can see, I've cut that really nice and small. Staying on this heat. I'll see you again in about 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, so it's about 4 minutes. Wonderful stuff. Really simply now, we're going to drop in 1 can of tomatoes. Salt, black pepper, oregano and chili. I'm just going to break these tomatoes with my spoon. We're going to lower the heat, not to a simmer but just above a simmer. I want this to go for now about 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. You're pretty much done. Okay, and there you go, absolutely wonderful. That's come together really nicely. Check that for salt, check the level of chili. If you want, add some fresh chilies. We're now going to drop in some of our cooked pasta. I'm using this penne. I'm going to change spoons. I'm going to turn the heat up to medium. And I'm going to go for about 2 to 3 minutes, getting some sauce in, on and around our pasta. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.